I spent years swallowing disrespect from people. I would literally flinch whenever I am challenged during conversations at work or even in relationships. For a long time, I thought the solution was to toughen up, harden up, and talk less. But that didn't work. The moment I changed how I showed up, people started responding differently to me. So if you're tired of being talked down to, of being disrespected, ignored, or disregarded, then lean in, listen as I share the C.A.L.M framework as a tool to help you earn instant respect from people. You don't need to become somebody else. All you need is to be grounded in knowing who you are and using this framework. Let's get right in. By the way, if this is your first time of seeing my face, I am Kelechi. I am that lady who is so invested in your emotional health, and I want you to fully maximize your time here in this side of the world. So please, I would like to know your thoughts on what I'm about to share, and it will be so helpful for you to join our community, because this year I don't want you to miss out on anything I share as God helps me. C is clarity. You need to be clear on your identity. You need to know you. You need to see yourself as someone who is worthy of respect. Now, the first step to people respecting you, you have to have self-respect. How do you perceive yourself? Who do you think you are? How do you carry yourself? Do you honor your promises to yourself? Do you look after yourself? How do you dress? How do you talk to yourself? So people respecting you is heavily, and I dare to say it is solely dependent on how you respect yourself. So before you would command respect from others, your self-respect must be in place. Clarity here also bothers on how you communicate. Do you communicate using simple sentences, or do you communicate and go on to over-explain your reasons for doing something or your reasons for making a decision? Over-explaining impacts on how clearly you communicate. Also, over-explaining is a sign of fear, is a sign of anxiety, and is a sign that you have an unhealthy attachment style. Ask yourself, who would want to respect someone who is anxious, someone who is afraid? Eradicate over-explaining from your presentation. Trust me, people are better off with the relevant information. Don't overload them with things that they shouldn't be aware of. A here is alignment. Alignment means speaking from self-trust, not seeking approval. You are speaking based on your knowledge. You are sharing your knowledge not because you want to be liked, not because you are seeking approval from people. You are communicating clearly. You are communicating your thoughts. The truth is, people like who they want to like. You can't make people like you. Don't waste your time trying to make people like you. Don't speak because you want to buy people to your side. Speak with alignment. Speak with precision. Speak based on your knowledge. Speak based on accuracy, not because you are trying to be liked. People, they like who they like. Understood? L is low reactivity. Calmness is one of the most underrated signs of confidence. Understand this, you are not a time bomb that is waiting to explode. You don't need to explode or defend yourself every time. Sometimes calmness, stillness is a very powerful space to be in. When you react emotionally, you have handed over your power. What do I mean? If you are often triggered by people's action, that means you've handed over your power to someone to control you. So do not be moved by your emotions. Respond instead of reacting. Do not be in a place of reactivity. You shouldn't react to everything that is said to you. You shouldn't react to every act that is done to you. You should respond from a place of calmness. That is where your power lies, and that is what gives you respect. Because when people see that you are not easily controlled, how do you think they will treat you? they know that they cannot control you. They will know that their antic has got nothing on you. So respond and do not react. Calm energy tells people that you are grounded. The M here is measured boundaries. Boundaries do not need drama or anger. Protect your time, protect your space, protect your diet, protect who you give access to you. When people notice how intentional you are, they adjust around you. I mean, who wouldn't respect someone who is intentional about how they speak, how they dress, the kind of things that come out from their mouth, the way they handle their space, the way they are organized? All of this begins with your self-respect. When you stop shrinking, people adjust. You don't force respect. Respect is felt and it is contagious. Respect yourself and people would respect you. I hope this helps. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I will see you soon.